Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about injunctions. Injunctions are court orders that can prevent someone from doing something or force them to take certain actions. They are powerful tools in legal disputes. In this video, I'll answer the top 5 most frequently asked questions about injunctions in Singapore. Number 1, what is an injunction? An injunction is a court order that either prohibits a party from doing something, this is called a prohibitory injunction, or requires them to do something, this is called a mandatory injunction. It is often used in civil litigation to preserve the status quo until the final determination of the case at trial. Next frequently asked question, what types of injunctions are there in Singapore? The most common type is the interlocutory injunction, which is an interim injunction granted before the court can decide at trial whether to grant a permanent injunction. In other words, it's a temporary injunction until the final one is granted after a trial. As I mentioned earlier, injunctions can be prohibitory, which prevents a party from doing something or a certain act, or it could be mandatory, which orders a party to take specific actions. Another type of injunction is the Mariva injunction. A Mariva injunction freezes the assets of a party to prevent them from dissipating the assets while a lawsuit is in progress. The third most frequently asked question, when can you apply for an injunction? You can apply for an injunction anytime after the start of legal proceedings if you need urgent relief to prevent irreparable harm or to preserve your rights pending a trial. For example, if someone is about to sell off your assets or disclose confidential information, you can apply for an injunction to stop that action before it's too late. FAQ number 4. What is the test for obtaining an injunction in Singapore? To obtain an injunction, you must satisfy the following tests. Number 1, there has to be a serious question to be tried. There must be a legitimate issue that needs to be resolved at trial. Number 2, the balance of convenience test. The court will weigh the harm each party may suffer depending on whether the injunction is granted. In determining where the balance of convenience lies, the court will be more likely to grant an injunction if damages alone will not provide adequate relief. To give you an example, if confidential information is leaked, damages alone are unlikely to be enough to compensate for the harm suffered, so the court will be more likely to grant an injunction. FAQ number 5. What is a Mariva injunction and when is it used? A Mariva injunction is a freezing order that prevents the defendant from dissipating assets. It is often used in cases where there is a fear that the defendant may move or hide his assets, making it impossible for the plaintiff to recover damages even if the plaintiff wins the case at trial. Injunctions are powerful tools in legal disputes, but they require careful consideration and strong evidence to succeed. If you think you need an injunction or want to learn more, consult with a lawyer to discuss your options. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.